Hey guys, quick update because I'm on holiday. But yeah, the portfolio is up about 4,000. This seems to be sort of on the Fed news, being flexible with interest rate rises and that sort of thing. Seems a bit strange, sort of mixed messages really. But the market seems to have liked it. Dollar's down. Freeport is up. I'm considering swapping that for Atalaya Mining. Seems to be a sort of slightly better value, even though is a small cap, so a little bit less, a little bit more sort of risk on that than there would be with Freeport, and not a huge change in these. Crypto not really moving, neither is gold and silver. The ISA sort of hasn't really moved. My Sylvania Platinum order went through, so yeah, that's provided sort of the gain here. Still got a little bit of cash, which I haven't deposited yet, kind of waiting for a low on the crypto. Argo blockchain. The REITs have done pretty well. Argo is down about 3%. That's why sort of the portfolio hasn't really moved. Sylvania sort of done pretty well, 3.5%. So that's good. And looking at the invest account, sort of broadly everything is up. About 4,000 gain on this, which is pretty good. Again, I have some cash here which I'm not including. This sort of been from dividends largely, and I'm considering withdrawing that at some point still and putting that into crypto. So I got a dividend from Samsung and a reasonable one from Glencore. And yeah, sort of as I say, pretty much everything sort of seems to be fairly green. Tech stocks especially, 8.7% on Apple, although Google not done quite as well. Sort of advertising spend supposedly going down. But yeah, even sort of the slow movers like Bank of Nova Scotia up 7%. Broadcom talking about buying VMware, which is interesting. Market didn't seem to like it at the time, but obviously it's recovered since. eBay 10% up on the week, considering sort of selling that off. We'll sort of compare to other companies on the ratios. Glencore doing pretty well, even with the dividend. What else we got? Lennar doing pretty well. It sort of bit of poor home sale news, so that dropped during the week, but has recovered really well. Meta Platforms pretty flat again, sort of poor sort of advertising spend potentially. I think Snapchat did really bad, so that's not done too well. All the sort of advertising stocks. Nintendo dropped just because it seems to do the opposite of whatever the market does, so that's quite handy. Shell have been hit with a windfall tax in the UK, so 25% of profits, and they're sort of saying that will be until oil and gas get to a more normal price, basically. So could go on for years, potentially. So that's not very good. And Tesla obviously is the biggest gainer because it does a 2 or 3x whatever everything else does, it seems. So yeah, everything else pretty much is sort of largely up either a few percent to sort of 7 or 8%. So I'll just keep it brief this week and get this uploaded. So leave your thoughts in the comments and like and subscribe. See you soon.